Hello class 7. In the previous class you have read about the exterior angle property of a triangle, and today we are going to understand the angle sum property of a triangle. So take a look at this. Students, here the topic is angle sum property of a triangle. This property says the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And now for its proof, let us consider triangle ABC be a triangle, and we produce BC to D. Then exterior angle 4 is formed. We mark angle A, angle B and angle C as angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equals angle 4, because exterior angle property of a triangle we have read that exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. And angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degree because of linear pair. These 3 and 4 are the adjacent angles and form linear pair. Now angle 3, and for this 4 we put 1 plus 2 from equation 1. So 3 plus 1 plus 2 equals 180 degree. We can write it 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 180 degree, and therefore angle A, angle B, angle C, the sum of angle A, angle B, angle C equals 180 degree. Students, there is a note. Please keep it in mind. Angle sum property of a triangle is applicable for any type of triangle. It means whatever be the type of the triangle, it may be isosceles triangle, it may be scalene triangle, it may be acute angle triangle, it may be right angle triangle, it may be isosceles triangle, it may be an equilateral triangle. Whatever be the type of triangle, the sum of the three angles is 180 degree. Now students, we are going for an example. In triangle ABC, angle A equals 40 degree, angle B equals 70 degree, find angle C and which type of triangle it is. So first draw a figure of triangle ABC, just a rough figure. Put A as 40 degree and put B as 70 degree, and this is the question mark. We have to find out C. Now we know that angle A, angle B, angle C, it means the sum of angle A, B and C equals 180 degree because of the angle sum property which we have read just now. So the sum of all these three angles is 180 degree, and you know angle A 40 degree, angle B is 70 degree and C is C because we don't know, equals 180 degree. Now 40 plus 70 is 110 degree, and angle C equals 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. And you can see angle C is 70 degree, angle B is already 70 degree, so B equal to C equal to 70 degree, and hence the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now the example number 2. Find the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle. You have to find out each angle of an equilateral triangle. Now let us consider ABC is an equilateral triangle. This ABC is an equilateral triangle. It means AB equal to BC equal to AC. All the sides are equal. If we take angle AB, side AB equal to BC, AB equals BC, then the angle opposite to AB, that is C, and the angle opposite to BC, that is A, both angles are equal. So angle C equals A. This is the first. because you have read in the first property of an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are equal. And also BC equal to AC, BC equals AC. So BC equals AC means the angle opposite to BC, that is angle A, and angle opposite to AC is angle B. Both are equal. Now you can see this equals to this and this equals to this. So this equal to this. So all these three angles are equal. So from 1 and 2 we can write A equals B equals C. So all these three angles C, we can consider it as X. It means all the angles are X degree. It means all these angles of an equilateral triangle are equal. It means equal. Now we have to use angle sum property of a triangle, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree, and all these angles are x, so x plus x equals 1x 180 degree. Now 3x equal to 180 degree and x equal to 180 by 3, that will be x equal to 60 degree. It means all these three angles A, B and C are of 60 degree. That is, each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Students, I think now you understand the angle sum property of a triangle, which says that all the angles or sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.